Hello YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome to Junk Journal January for 2025. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. There's a link to Meg's channel in my video description box. If you want to check out the people that are actually doing videos for Meg, there's links to them all on her video page. Follow the link on my video description box and you'll be able to find that information. This is the journal I'm using. So it's a tab bound journal, very first one that I've ever done, so it's a little bit rough, but it's pretty good for what I want. And I'll be filling a page every day using the prompts provided by Meg. Hello and welcome to day 8, and the prompt is antique. So I've got an antique looking piece of digital that I designed myself. I've got kids sitting in an antique toy of some sort, and then that music paper over on the side, that's well over 100 years old, that one. So they're my antique things. So what I'm going to do with this is create a composition on that piece of paper with the roses on it, and once I've got it finalized, I'll take it to my sewing machine and do some stitching around it as well, and then I'll stick the whole thing onto the page. I'm not going to put any music in this. I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to leave the sounds of crafting on here. So we'll turn it into an ASMR type of experience. I hope you enjoy it. If you're finding value in my videos and you enjoy them, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you really enjoy them, leave me a smiley face or a heart or a comment. I would love that. And if you really enjoy them, do what everybody else is doing and hit the subscribe button, because it doesn't cost you anything, and I'd love to have you back again to see more of my videos. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. I love those kids in that, I think it's a wagon or something that they're sitting, or one of them sitting in. I can remember having something similar as a child, but not that old, but yeah. I love the stitching. I love everything about this one. The hints of the pink in the background. So if you like it too, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, leave a heart or a smiley face in the comments if you don't have time to leave a comment. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. I do really appreciate each and every one of you. And we'll see you soon for the next one, number 9, which is hidden. I've got an idea what I'm going to do with that already. So we'll see you then. In the meantime, happy creating. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!